Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Bhagavad Gita introduction. Unless our life is changing by the mercy of Krishna, unless you see that how it is changing, you cannot see the pastimes of Krishna. Any other pastime of Krishna, this is the best pastime. Unless we actively participate in relationship with a devotee, we can't see how we get mercy. Unless we see how Krishna's mercy is flowing in our life, we cannot understand any pastime of Krishna. We cannot change. We cannot chant holy name properly. It is mentioned, Gurudev Krupa Bindu Diya. I am giving much more in detail what is delivering. My dear spiritual master, when it will come your mercy, when it come, what all happen, tolerate, give respect, don't expect respect. When these things happen, you will receive mercy. Then what is the result? Tabeto gaive. You must be happily chanting Hare Krishna. Any one of you doing like that, that means you are not allowing Krishna's pastime into your life. Krishna is ready. We are not receiving. Suppose I am shouting here, you are sitting outside. Today there is no class. Because you are not receiving it, because you are making acceptable to it. It is like that. We hide, there is no mercy. So like that, Krishna is actually showing mercy to devotees in numerous ways. Because we close our eyes, we are not seeing it. So that's why we are not understanding Krishna progressively. Like moon increases after Amavasya, waxing moon. In the beginning, little Krishna's mercy, like a tap in the beginning, tick, tick, one by one drop. When you open it fully, shower of water, like shower of mercy from Krishna. So, possible shower of mercy is there in the beginning. We are restricting. Similarly, Krishna's mercy is abundantly available for everyone because we are stopping it. We are not accepting fully. Why? Sarvameta dhrutam manye. By not having the spirit of devotion, by not having the spirit of submission. When you have the spirit of devotion, when you have the spirit of submission to a representative of Krishna, who is representing Krishna in our life, then we have the shower of mercy. How to recognize mercy coming from Krishna? Or other words, today somebody comes, gives nice feast, Krishna fed, I nicely eat, you come to Krishna consciousness. Everybody says it is Krishna's mercy. Everybody says it is Krishna's mercy like that. Whatever happen, Krishna's mercy. A person who is really receiving Krishna's mercy or not, that person has Trunadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Sahishnuna Amanena Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. You will be tolerate all the insult. You will not react. Respecting everyone appropriately, or he is like a tree. Tree is very tolerant, more humbler than a blade of grass, tolerant than a tree, ready to offer respect to all the others, not expecting any respect. This is the standard. If you want to test, somebody said, I am seeing the Krishna's pastime. But small thing can happen, irritating. All the time contemplating, others are not respecting me. That means he is not receiving Krishna's mercy. It is only tap closed. You are saying no water. Somebody says he is seeing Krishna. We can see these qualities in their life. Or rather, one who is receiving these qualities, he has these qualities. When he is so humble, tolerant, eager to offer respect to others, he sees abundance of mercy of Krishna in his life. That is how we understand Krishna. If you are that much mercy, where is your tolerance? Where is humility? All these things, this is how somebody is receiving mercy or not. Then you will say like Arjuna says, Param Brahma Parandama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vivu. Those who receive mercy, they glorify Lord. Arjuna fled like abundance mercy. After hearing Bhagavad Gita, he has savor of mercy. Then he glorified like that. Krishna's heart touched Arjuna. Now Arjuna's heart is glorifying. Unless we receive such mercy in our life, Krishna's mercy we can't glorify. We can't understand him. We can't appreciate him truly. Now I will quickly complete. The objective param means supermost, super excellent. They can't be something beyond that. Param Brahma means Supreme Brahman. Nobody else can be like him. It is unique position. Param Brahm, Parandam. Dham means abode, ultimate shelter. You can take shelter of Krishna. Pavitram, he is the purest of the pure. He is so pure. Anybody comes in contact, they will become pure. We chant the holy name. We becoming pure. We are coming in contact with the purest. But we want to be mala. We don't want to be pure. That's why people are afraid of God. Those who are sinful, they cannot even hear the name of God. Some people are like that, unfortunately. But when they are in contact with the devotees, they become purified. Some sooner or later. Arjuna's advertisement, who should believe if you know? A person to glorify, you can benefit from him. When somebody glorify, if you hear, then you will change your heart by his glorification. Then if you regularly glorify or hear glorification, so that we develop, then we will have no fear, no disturbance. Purusham, he is the supreme enjoyer. That's why we don't like him. Everybody gives enjoyment to him. We don't like. That's why we don't practice Krishna consciousness. We are trying to compete with Krishna. That's why we are becoming more and more distant from him. When you compete from someone, you can't glorify. If you see Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, Bhima is very glorious personality, a very big fighter. But Duryodhana sees him like a fly, because he is envious of him. Mouth cannot glorify heart, cannot admit to glorify that person. Understand? Mouth cannot glorify, heart cannot admit, glorify that person. Similarly, those who are around us, when we compete with them, even they may have certain nice thing, we just throw him. We want to enjoy, we want to become Purusha. I will continue in next episode. श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे